Are you tired of 3D printing frustrations, constantly dealing with messy settings, subpar results, and wasted materials? Well, I've got some good news for you. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Creality K1C, but before we dive into this review, let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with finding the perfect 3D printing settings? But here's what surprised me about the Creality K1C. It's not just another 3D printer, but a game changer in the world of FDM printing. Therefore, I'm excited to share my honest review of this machine, and hopefully you'll be convinced that it's worth your investment. Now, let's get started. The Creality K1C is a relatively new addition to the 3D printing market, but its impressive features have already gained attention from enthusiasts and professionals alike. Therefore, I'm eager to dive into its key benefits and see if they live up to the hype. But before we do that, let me ask you another question. Are you looking for a reliable 3D printer that can handle various materials with ease? The Creality K1C is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users, offering a range of features that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their 3D printing experience. Therefore, let's explore its key benefits in more detail. One of the standout features of the Creality K1C is its large build volume, measuring 300 x 300 x 400. This allows users to print larger objects with ease, making it perfect for those who need to create bigger models or prototypes. But what really caught my attention was its advanced temperature control system, which enables precise adjustments and stable temperatures throughout the printing process. But here's a twist. The Creality K1C also boasts an impressive print resolution of 0.05, ensuring that your prints are incredibly detailed and smooth. Therefore, whether you're working on a complex project or creating decorative items, this printer delivers high-quality results every time. Now, let's talk about its durability and maintenance. The Creality K1C is built with high-quality materials and features a robust design that can withstand heavy use. Therefore, you don't have to worry about it breaking down easily or requiring frequent repairs. But did you know that the printer also comes equipped with a state-of-the-art filtration system, which helps minimize dust and debris during printing? However, what I found most surprising was its impressive community support. Creality has created an extensive online platform for users to share their projects, discuss tips and tricks, and even collaborate on new designs. Therefore, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, the Creality K1C offers unparalleled community engagement. But before we wrap up this review, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Creality K1C is competitively priced compared to other 3D printers on the market, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and high-performance printer without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. Now that we've explored the key benefits of the Creality K1C, let me ask you one final question. Are you ready to take your 3D printing experience to the next level? For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible machine.